guide you through how to log in to your Stripe account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your favorite web browser and go to the Stripe website by typing in stripe.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button, which is usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on that button to be taken to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your email address and password that you used when setting up your Stripe account. After entering your credentials, go ahead and click the Log In button. If you've set up two-step authentication for added security, you'll be prompted to enter a verification code. This code is usually sent to your registered mobile number or email. Enter the code in the designated field and click Submit. If everything is correct, you'll be taken to your Stripe dashboard, where you can manage your payments, view transactions, and access other features. In case you've forgotten your password, you can click the Forgot Your Password link on the login page. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset it. For security reasons, make sure your password is strong and unique. And that's it. You're now logged into your Stripe account and ready to manage your business finances with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.